Hey, it's Jacqueline here. Today I'm bringing you a very different video, an unboxing of my Chanel Le Blanc 2022 collection, Reve de Chanel, the dream of Chanel. The package arrived to my home a little too late for me to film my review because, you know, my friends, I film in natural light, and right now I have my lights on, and I just decided to, okay, let me just show it to you what I got, and then for sure you're gonna see me doing a full-on review on this collection. Didn't plan to, but here I am. Always so lovely package. The bow. Oh, look at this. There's a beautiful thank you note. That's so thoughtful. I'm sure inside is the note and my receipt. So let's put it on the side and let's see. Ooh, look at this sticker. It looks so pretty. Okay, let me show you what I got here. Okay, so I got multiple items. Let's start first with, I guess, the samples they sent me. They sent me a sample, small, tiny size of Gabrielle Chanel Essence, the Eau de Parfum. This fragrance is gorgeous. If you like something light, floral, perfect for spring, you're gonna love Gabrielle. And they also sent me a Rouge Allure Lac in the shade Timeless 80. I don't have this shade right here, or I do. No, I don't have it. I don't have it, but I love the Rouge Allure Lac. It's a kind of like glossy formulation, but it stays on for a long time. It's long lasting and it's not uncomfortable. It's so good. And look at this packaging, even the miniature. They made it perfect. And then they sent me a sample of the Sublimage Le Crème. This is the ultimate skin regeneration texture fine. And I have a ton of these samples. I really need to keep giving them a try and let you know what I think about this Sublimage line, because I love the Sublimage L'Essence du Temps foundation. Okay, and now into what I got right here. Is the eyeshadow quad 384 Imaginaire. I love peachy tones, so I'm excited about this palette. Although I know that the Blanc collection is usually geared towards, you know, like very light and soft and very ethereal kind of makeup. It looks very pretty. And here you have, this one seems to be a kind of like satin shade, and then these two right here seem to be a matte formulation. Definitely I'm going to be playing with this quad. And then I got, this is not from the Le Blanc collection, this is a quad that I needed to bring back to my collection. I actually had one and it was completely destroyed. So this is Tisse Rivoli 226. Super lovely. This is a cool tone dream palette. If you like cool tones, you're gonna love this palette. Tisse Rivoli. And then going back to the collection, in this collection there are 3 Rouge Coco Flash, and then there's also 2 Rouge Allure ink. The one that I got is 232 Poesie. It's kind of like a pinky, corally kind of tone. Very pretty. I cannot wait to try it. And then I also got 2 of the 3 nail polishes. The third one is kind of like a pinky lilac-y tone. I sometimes those shades, in contrast with my skin tone, Sometimes they don't look that well, sometimes they do, so I decided to skip on it for now, but I may end up getting it. So the shades that I got are Onirique 923, which I thought it was gonna be more peachy, but actually it's a beautiful neutral shade. It's my kind of shade. You know, in fact, it reminds me to a lot of my nail polishes, whether they are from Gucci, Christian Louboutin. I mean, like, yeah. It is my type of shade for sure, and I need to change my nail polish because I did this French manicure, but you know, it has been like at least 10-12 days that I have it, so I really need to remove it and repaint my nails. And then the other nail polish I got is this beautiful peachy shade called Utopia 919, and it's a lovely peachy shade. Perfect for springtime. I don't know which one I'm gonna end up wearing tomorrow, or maybe I can paint this is gonna be too funny, but perhaps I can paint my nails one hand one color and the other hand another color. I know it's gonna look super weird, but just to show you how they look. I mean, I don't mind, perhaps. We'll see. But I love these kind of like very light peachy tones because they look so pretty. It's very, like I said, it's spring summer vibe. Oh my gosh, I may end up getting the third shade. Yeah, somebody has to stop me here. Okay, my friends. And then, I mean, you have already seen this beautiful Reve de Camelia highlighter. Isn't it this so gorgeous? I already did my review, comparison, swatches, full demo of this gorgeous highlighter. Perhaps the most beautiful highlighter from Chanel that I have on my collection. I mean, I love them all, but this embossing is gorgeous. It looks like the camellia flower has stitches around it. Just so perfect. The 3D embossing is just gorgeous. I will say don't miss out on this one. And if you haven't watched my review, I invite you to watch my review for that. Okay, my friends. So this is it. These are the products that I got from the Reve de Chanel Le Blanc 2022 collection. Anyhow, just make sure you're subscribed to my channel with the post notification bell on, because I'm going to be bringing you a full on review on this collection, swatches, and a full demo. So thank you so much for watching this unboxing. I hope you like it. And if you have any questions or any requests on comparison swatches, please let me know in the comment section down below. While you're at it, and if you haven't done so yet, I invite you to subscribe to my channel. Make sure you're in the post notification bell so you don't miss any of my uploads, and come and follow me on my Instagram. If you like this video, do not forget to give it a thumbs up. Also, share with family and friends. And until the next time, I hope you have a beautiful, wonderful day. Bye-bye.